Should we be worried about Tyreek Hill and his dynasty value heading into 2019? Given the current news, let's get into it. Okay, so Tyreek Hill is in the news. You have to be living under a rock to not know that he is in the news right now. Being investigated for alleged battery. Make sure you know that nothing is confirmed. But I will say that if you're in a dynasty league and you own this guy, and if you can get a very, very good wide receiver in return, like an Antonio Brown, a player that may not have as much dynasty appeal, I would jump on it. Dynasty leagues fall apart a lot of times after 3, 4, 5 years. You start planning for, oh, this guy's got 4 years, that guy's got 7. Brown has 1 to 2, probably 2 to 3 elite years left, and yeah, Tyreek Hill has 4, 5, or 6. Who cares? Win a championship. Don't believe in Antonio Brown? Well, trade someone else. Use another player in your mind that this makes sense for. You don't have to use Antonio Brown. But for me, I'd rather have Antonio Brown in a dynasty league right now than Tyreek Hill. Now, if it all blew over, of course, I'd be not regretting it, but I'd be like, yeah, I gave up a little bit on that to try and play it safe. And I'm fine with that. I can live with that. The best move is to get out of this situation before it gets even worse. And if you're wrong, if I'm wrong, and Tyreek Hill ends up, this all blows over, so be it. You're getting yourself a player, if you can, don't trade low or sell low, but you get yourself a player like Antonio Brown that is very, very undervalued by so many people. I think he's attainable for a Tyreek Hill, at least right now. That could change in a week or two from now.
Oh, look at this. You gotta be kidding me. You know, you got some set of balls sending me a trade offer like that. You're lucky I'm not sending Paulie and Shill out there. Sleeperu.com. Learn about it.